Hi students, this is one of the circuit from the current electricity. How to solve this circuit? The question is, what is the effective resistance across AB? So this how to solve. For that, you look at this circuit, enter the circuit. Here you can observe like a symmetry form or another one, Wheatstone-Bridge principle form. You look at here this circuit alone, what I am drawing, you look at here, this circuit alone you look at here. So this is, if you assume this is the P and this is the Q, this is the R, this is the S. Now it look like P upon Q, which is equals to R upon S. From that what we can write? 2 upon 2, 2 upon 2. Here this will be 1, this will be 1. So this condition is satisfied. That's why we can neglect this resistance. This resistance we can neglect because this point potential and this point potential same. If these 2 points, for example, you take C, this point as D, VC equals to VD. VC equals to VD. In this case, about this 2 ohm resistor, current will not flow. That's why we can neglect this resistance. In the same manner, you observe here another one. You observe this another circuit here. This portion you observe here. This portion. In this portion, this is also obeys. This is assumed as P and this assumed as Q and this assumed as R. This assumed as S. Here P by Q equals to R upon S. That means this is 2 by 2, 2 by 2. Here you can get 1 equals to 1. It obeys the Wheatstone-Bridge principle. Wheatstone-Bridge principle. Wheatstone-Bridge principle. Here it obeys Wheatstone-Bridge principle. P by Q equals to R by S. In this case, here about this point, if we take this is E, BE equals to VD. Potential difference, both are same. That's why we can neglect this resistance. Current will not pass through this resistor. Then this circuit will modify as finally you can see the circuit like this. The circuit will modify as like this. Here, you look at here. This is A and this is B. Now the circuit will modify like this. You look at here, this point, this point, this point, this point, all are same. In the same manner, this side also, this point, this point, this point, all are same. Here, this point, this point, this point, same. So we can club this all 3 points. So this circuit again, we can redraw this diagram. This is, you look at here, I am taking this A point. I am taking A point. At this A point, I am clubbing these 2 resistors. One is like this, another one is like this. And for B, I am taking like this. Because this is same potentials. You look at it, these all are same potential, I am clubbing here. This side, these all are same potentials, I am clubbing here. Above, you can observe the circuit like this, one resistor, and another resistor. And down one resistor, again another resistor. Here resistance is, this is 2 ohm, this is 2 ohm. Now observe this, how it look like. These two are look like series combination. That's why I can write R dash equals to 2 plus 2, which is equals to 4 ohm. In the same manner, this is 2 ohm, this is 2 ohm. So these two look like series combination. The effective resistance, assume as R double dash, this is 2 plus 2, which is equals to 4 ohm. Now you look at in midpoint here, this is 2 ohm, this is 2 ohm. These two look like parallel, and this is 2 ohm, this is 2 ohm. These two look like parallel. For parallel, you take this is R triple dash. For parallel is here 2 into 2 upon 2 plus 2. This will be 2 into 2 upon 4. This is 4, 4 gets cancelled. Finally, this will be 1 ohm. Now for this circuit also, effective resistance, parallel combination. R power 4 you can take, R power 4. So this will be same like 2 into 2 upon 2 plus 2. It will be 4 upon 4. Value is 1 ohm. Now the circuit will modify as this is A point. Next, above you can see this is 4 ohm. Next, here midpoint 1 ohm, 1 ohm. This is 1 ohm. Again, this is 1 ohm. Next, down you can observe here. This is B. This is B. Now this is, you can observe here. This is 4 ohm. 4 ohm. Now this circuit again, these two are, you look at here. These two are series. These two are series. For series combination, R power 5 you can take. This is 1 plus 1, 2 ohm you can take. Now this circuit will modify as this is 2 ohm. Next, it will be 4 ohm. Now you take this is 4 ohm. It is B, it is A. Now all are parallel combination. This entire circuit parallel combination. So parallel combination we can write 1 by R equivalent, which is equals to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. By taking 4 LCM, here 1 plus 2 plus 1 will come. This is 4 upon 4. It will be 1. So 1 by R equivalent equals to 1. Now R equivalent across AB equals to 1 ohm. This is the resultant across AB.